Ako din po yung pinakabata. Sige, ako na lang yung pangalawa sa pinakabata sa cast. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It's always a privilege to go back to a character that you did way back. I was very fortunate when Para Kay B was staged in BGC Arts Center. I played AJ. And sobrang ibang-iba pa yung play na yon nung ginawa namin sa BGC. Actually, I was also asked to at least play AJ nung first run, but I'm doing another play during that time, kaya sayang. Pero in a way, I felt like I was part of the creation of the first play kasi doon po sa bahay ko nagsusulat ng prompts si LJ. At napag-uusapan po namin yung direction na ganito na siya, ganito na siya, magiging ganito na yung direction. So ako po, I'm excited kasi again, it's a privilege to go back to a character that you once played. And now, after, kailan ba yung BGC? 2018? So, ang dami nang nagbago din sa sarili ko bilang tao, bilang artista, and bilang bakla. So, ano yung pwede kong ilagay at ibigay pa doon sa character na yun? Because if it's a gay character in any literature, ang unang iniisip ay it's pampabalanse siya, pagbakla, nakakatawa, ganyan. But also part of my advocacy as an actor and as a part of the LGBTQI+ community is to really play queer characters in general, and give it a nuance and sensitive and as much as possible authentic portrayal. Kasi nakakasawa na yung pagbakla nakaganyan, nakaganon. Hindi naman po. Wala akong kilala. Actually, akong kilalang baklang gumaganto.
Ikaw?
Oo. Pag nag-asal ka. Di ba? Parang ako lang ata. Ibig ko talaga. Anyway, yung mga ganun po. Kaya yun, yung tanong na yung what made me say yes. Unang-una, parang after doing Delia Dina ang laki-laki, parang it's such a refreshing. It's such a breather to do a